Good day, everybody. These guys sent me this aroma diffuser for an unboxing review. Let's see what's inside. Here's everything that comes in the box. This top piece here is ceramic, and then this is plastic, but it's like wood pattern, veneered wood. I'll go ahead and pop the top on this. All the oils are 100% pure essential oil, multi-purpose aromatherapy oil. Okay, now we just filled the water up to the max. Now we're gonna add 3 to 5 drops of oil. Okay, here's all the functions on this thing. So when you plug it in, it automatically turns on. And so
you'll press the on and off button one time. This will provide continuous mist. And if you press the button twice, that is for every 10 seconds.
So it'll mist every 10 seconds. Is that what it's
Correct,
doing?
yep.
Right?
And then you'll press the button 4 times for 4 hours. And then if you hit the on and off button 5 times, it turns the unit off. There's also the LED light function. So you press that once to set the automatic color changing of the light. And then if you press it for a second time, you can go through the color combinations and pick out your desired color. If you just want to turn it off, you just press it a long press and the light should turn off. The continuous mist. Second time will be every 10 seconds. And the third time will be for 1 hour. The fourth will be for 4 hours. And then if you press it again, it turns the unit off.